Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a quick in-depth review about this powerful website called Passpack. Passpack is a tool that help your business keep all your logs safe. Think of it as a digital vault. It lets you keep your password safe on all your app. You can create strong login and share them securely. It's easy for you to use and you can update password fast on the platform. No more lost credential. It's a solution for keeping your employees and clients login safe. Customer gets good support too. You can manage access of all your whole business. It makes teams management simple. People who also use it give a good rating for this app. It helps you keep all your customer info secure. Now, talking about the best features of this platform, Passpack isn't just an essential password keeper, it offers a unique tools to streamline your security and team workflow. So let's explore the 5 standout features that makes this platform, which is Passpack, a powerful choice. So talking about this, one of these top 5 super features, it comes with a data management, which is one of the best. It also comes with a password manager label, which also one of the best, which is the manage password label. It also comes with is team management, which is one of the features, and a guided password generator together with a custom label, which is part of the key features on this platform, which make it stand out compared to other platform. Now, talking about the plan, we have the team plan, we have the business plan, we also have the enterprise plan. So if you want more information about the plan, together with each features assigned to each plan and together with the price tag, you can simply get back to the website using the link in the video to access the website, then check out the pricing plan for this platform to help you decide which of this plan would be a better option for you. So choosing the right password manager requires weighing its strength and the weakness. So I'm going to explore the Passpack key advantages and the potential drawback for this platform. So talking about the strength, which is the advantages of this platform, come with a strong encryption password together with a user-friendly interface and a secure share together with a password generator and a cross-platform access. Now talking about the drawback of this, which is the limited free version, and the business price is kind of costly and the interface either is less modern and the customer support varies sometimes. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. Thanks.